Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we have a Panasonic SCH C30. Oh, look at that. It works. It opens up, it has an iPod dock, it has the radio. Let's see if we can turn this down. Yep, volume down works, volume up works. We're checking this out. Close. CD, open, close. Look at that, the CD player. That's awesome. We're going to try a CD in there too in a little while here. You can't beat that. We're going to get this thing cleaned up too. I wish I had an iPod to test in here. I don't anymore. It has aux, it has D-Bass. Let's change the... It has an antenna for the radio. Whoa, whoa, that's some copyright infringement there. We don't want to worry about that. So the radio works. Perfect. We're going to stop that. And we are going to see if it takes the aux port. I didn't see an aux port on here, but we're going to look. Just the antenna, the FM antenna and the AM antenna. No port. No aux port. What is it calling aux then? AC in. No aux on the bottom, right? I don't see one. No aux on the way back because that's a mount. I don't see an aux port on this anyway. Oh, right there. Haha. Wow, who saw that before me? State in the comments that I'm stupid. Please let me know. Here's the aux port right there. So that's good. I'm guessing that will work. So let's go get a CD and try that out. Alright, let's switch it over to CD. That is the coolest, huh? Never get over that. So that's the only CD I have. It's a ska CD on the beach. I don't think it's ever been out of this container. And we'll put it in here. Alright, close that. Hit play on the CD. Volume works. Yep. The CD's playing. It's actually pretty loud. And the D-Bass makes a little different from the bass. That's awesome. We'll pause that. Look at that. Works beautifully. We are going to get this thing open. And I can safely say that is in good condition and working beautifully. Let's close that up. Let's open up that iPod side one more time, just because that's so cool. We're going to get this all cleaned up. Alright, there we go. A little cleaned up. It read the disc, it played the CD, it played the radio. I have it under good authority that it would play the aux cord too. I just don't. My phone doesn't have an aux port and I don't feel like grabbing the laptop out. But that's okay. I'm going to clean this up and we'll see how it looks. Pretty dirty right now, you can tell. Let's get these couple screws out and clean with the back. Alright, now that we got those two out, let's figure out how to finagle this thing out of here. We've still got some goopy stuff right here. We're going to try to get off with some alcohol. And bam. We finished cleaning it up the best we can. It's a little scuffed up and scratched up and used, but just what it looks like. Not much else you can clean on there. We got the back looking very nice. Got the bottom all cleaned up. I wish there wasn't so many scuffs on it, but then again, it's used. Now the plastic's all clean. It's lint and hair and anything that's around here is sticking to it. There's some goopy like stuff on this back. We took a little alcohol, cleaned that up. Now it's beautiful. And we are done with the Panasonic SCHC30. Let's see how much it's worth. Nice, not too bad. $69.95. Alright guys, if you liked that video, please drop me a like and a share and subscribe. And if you like that kind of video, be sure to keep on watching my channel and supporting what I do. I appreciate you all, and thanks for watching guys. See you next time.